Mercy all day. Dang!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey!
My 2-year-old niece my new reusable sheet mask.
No, it didn't, Mark. I'm sorry. I took it off. I'm sorry, Papa.
Yes.